Now please see this next beautiful question, sir. Again a original SSC mains 2017 question. We are discussing some of the very good questions which has come in the examination, and we are making sure that we are solving these questions in the most easiest way possible. Now see here. Your question is, a mixture is composed of 11 parts of pure milk and 2 parts of water. That means, can I say that the ratio of milk and water is 11 parts of milk and 2 parts of water. It is 11:2, right? This is the first statement. If 35 liters of water were added to the mixture, there is a vessel which is having milk and water in the ratio 11:2. This is a mixture because it contains both milk and water. There is another vessel. In this second vessel, it is only water which is present. Milk is not present. It is pure water of 35 liters which is present in this second vessel, and these both are added. These both are combined to form a mixture. There will be a new mixture which will be formed. The new mixture will contain twice as much as pure milk as water. That means when I combine vessel 1 and vessel 2, there will be another vessel which will be waiting to capture the combination of vessel 1 and vessel 2 in this mixture. In this vessel 3, the milk and water will be in the ratio twice as much as pure milk as water. The ratio of milk and water is how much? It will be 2:1. How many liters of pure milk does the original mixture contain? Original mixture contains how many liters of pure milk is the question. Now see here, sir. Again I am repeating, this is an original SSC 2017 mains question. Now see here. Same logic I will implement. Same logic. You can work with either milk parameter or work with water parameter. I will work with the first parameter always as usual, which is my milk parameter. Out of total 11 plus 2, 13 parts. 11 parts belongs to milk. In the second vessel, there is no milk, which is pure water. So this will be 0. In the third vessel, milk is out of total 2 plus 1, 3 liters. 2 liters belongs to milk. But I don't like to work with fraction. Avoid fraction by taking LCM. Multiply all the 3 values with LCM, which is nothing but 13 into 3. If I multiply, this becomes 11 by 13 into 13 into 3. 11 into 3 is 33. 0 into anything is 0. 2 by 3 into 13 by 13 into 3. It is 2 into 13, 26. That means, can I say that it is 33, 0 and 26. The two ratios or the two vessels are mixed in the ratio Q1 by Q2, named as P2 minus P, which is minus 26, divided by P minus P1, which is nothing but minus 26 minus 33. It is minus 7. So the ratio in which the two mixtures are mixed is nothing but Q1 is to Q2, which is nothing but 26 is to 7. Now I believe that till here it is very clear for you people. But what I am 100% sure about this problem is, in the second vessel, there is no there is no milk parameter, and the entire 35 liters of water parameter from the second vessel is poured into this third vessel to mix it with the first vessel. That means the mixture or the water quantity which is present in the second vessel is not 7 liters according to the ratio, but according to the question it is 35 liters. 7 is becoming 35 multiplied by 5. 26 also multiplied by 5. 26 into the 5 is, it is 130. That means the first vessel has a total quantity of how much? 130 liters. But according to the ratio, first quantity milk and water ratio is 11:2. In the first quantity, in the first vessel, milk and water is 11:2. According to ratio, 11 liters of milk, 2 liters of water, totally 13 liters of mixture in first vessel. But question says it is not 13, it is 130. 13 should become 130. multiply by 10. Question they are asking pure milk, how much is there in first vessel? It is 11 into 10, 110. Simple way of solving, sir. I do not want you people to use some variables called as 11x and 2x or 2y, whatever it is. And I do not definitely want you to use any formulas and keep on wasting your time. This is one of the best method to be implemented, which we will consider as ANC way of solving. I hope the idea is very, very clear for each and every student who is listening to this particular video. See the next question. Again, one another beautiful question. Please see this question, sir. If X beakers of 100 ml containing 1:4 acid water solution are mixed with Y beakers of 200 ml containing 3:17 acid water solution, then the ratio of acid water in the resultant solution becomes 19:91. Find X is to Y. Now see here. First case they are giving the acid water ratio as 1:4 and totally there are X beakers of 100 ml. 100 ml can it is. It is a vessel of 100 ml each and there are totally X beakers. How much is the value of X? We don't know, which we need to find it. Similarly, there is another ratio which is given for acid and water, which is nothing but 3:17, and this 3:17 ratio is a 200 ml can. It is a can of 200 ml each, and totally how many cans are there such like that? There are totally Y cans or Y beakers. We don't know what is the value of Y also, which we also need to find in this question. Now when I mix these two, the resultant solution will have acid and water in the ratio 19:91. The resultant solution has acid and water in the ratio 19:91. Find the value of X, find the value of Y, take the ratio of X and Y is the question. Find X is to Y is the question. Now see here, same logic, sir. I do not definitely want to change my logic and confuse you people. Acid and water are there. Take any one parameter, preferably I am taking acid. Out of total 1 plus 4, 5 units, 1 unit belongs to acid. Out of total 3 plus 17, 20 units, 3 units belong to acid. Out of total 19 plus 91, 110 units, 19 units belong to acid. Now I do not want to complicate by fractions. Take the LCM. LCM of 5, 20 and 110 is 220. I already taught you how to find the LCM in some other topics. Either I would have taught it or probably you would have attended Anil sir's class also to find the LCM. Take the bigger number 110. 110 is a multiple of 5. Yes, agreed. 110 is not a multiple of 20. So 110 cannot be the LCM. Take the next multiple of 110, 220. 220 is a multiple of 5. 220 is also a multiple of 20. So that should be my LCM. That is the reason I am multiplying with LCM. Right? If I simplify 220 into 1 by 5, it is 44. 220 into 3 by 20, it will be 33. 220 into 19 by 110, it is 38. I hope you are understanding the logic, sir. Now, if I want to find Q1 by Q2 ratio, Q1 by Q2 ratio is 33 minus 38 is minus 5 divided by 38 minus 44 is minus 6. Minus by minus becomes positive. That means, can I say that the two quantities are mixed in the ratio 5:6. The two quantities in vessel 1 and vessel 2, in first type of vessel and second type of vessel, are mixed in the ratio 5:6. But think logically, sir. They are saying that the first type of vessel, it is always 100 ml can. The can is of capacity 100 ml. The can is of capacity 100 ml. That means if you are writing 5 here and each can is of capacity 100 ml. This should be a multiple of 5. It should also be a multiple of 100. So this I will take it as 500. So first can or first capacity is 500 ml. If it is 500, the next one should be 600 because the ratio should be 5:6, right? It should be 600. Now think logically. First variety, totally 500 ml of liquid is present. Totally 500 ml of liquid or totally 500 ml of mixture is present. And each can in the first variety can only accommodate 100 ml each. Only it can accommodate 100 ml each, and total capacity which is there in the first variety is 500 ml. That means how many such beakers are there? X beakers. X value is nothing but 5 right now, because 1 can capacity is 100, 5 cans capacity is 500 ml. X is equal to 5. Similarly, the second variety of liquid, totally 600 ml is present right now. Totally I have 600 ml with me, but each can in the second variety will have capacity of 200 ml each. That means every can contain 200 ml, and totally you have 600 ml. So totally such beakers, Y such beakers are there. So Y value should be how much? 3, because first can is 200, second can also contain 200, third can also contain 200, 200 plus 200 plus 200. Total capacity of 600 will be taken care of. X is to Y is what they are asking. X value is 5, Y value is 3, X is to Y is 5 is to 3. A beautiful question which can be solved. I hope the idea is very clear for you people, sir.